And welcome back to Friday Briefing. Thank you very much for crossing over with me. We continue with the show. I still have the lovely Yvonne Dark here in studio.
Hi.
And quite a number of people really interested in watching the show. I can sing. Remember, it starts next week on the 30th of March. It's a Friday.
Yes.
8 p.m. So you better watch out and look at all the talented people who, submitted their auditions.
Yes, definitely.
All right. So let's now.
It's a starter to Easter.
Yeah,
well.
Actually it's starting on Easter, which is a good thing. So let's now talk about your music careers. So you've been off the radar for some time. How come?
Well, actually, what happened is I went into rebranding myself.
Okay.
I've been in the industry for a while, and I've also learned a lot. I've grown a lot, and it just reached a point where I was like, okay, all this knowledge needs to now become something else. And I went into now rebranding myself, and it's very important for artists to do so because it reaches a point in your career where you show your maturity and your growth and your change. So that's the whole point of rebranding. And so I rebranded myself, and now what my brand actually stands for is an African modern woman, but embracing our old African traditions and trying to keep the roots going so that we can teach the generations that come after us to not forget. Because what hurts me, for example, from here back home in Kenya, or rather in Nairobi, we had an amazing museum.
Yes.
And then everything just disappeared.
Yeah.
And then I'm like, I grew up with this stuff. How am I supposed to show my kids anything? Like when I'm telling them my stories of how there was this part of the museum and then when you go and you take them and they're like,
what are you talking about?
Is this it? You know? So I really think it's important for us to keep our history alive, to keep our cultures alive, at the end of the day, because this is what makes us who we are, from our fruits to food to clothes to fashion to everything.
This is everything.
Exactly. This is what builds us and makes us unique. So if we destroy it, we just become like everybody else.
And you started your clothing line.
Yes, so this is part of my clothing line.
It's really lovely.
My clothing line is called Dark Collection. And it's basically my collection as an artist. So I'm doing something different, where it's high fashion line, where it's a very limited edition. So what you see on me, you'll get the same cut, but never the same material. And then I'll probably be doing between 10 to 15 pieces, and that's it.
Not too much.
Yeah, because I'm obviously going to have much more lines following the collection, and obviously for man and woman. So I just started off with obviously my collection as Yvonne Dark, and it's called La Dame Dark, so which means the woman dark. So in French translation to English, the woman dark. And basically each piece has its own name. So this one, for example, is called Safari Chic, because when you see Safari Chic.
Safari Chic.
Because when you
like
see
safari.
Because when you see the photo shoot, no. The chic part is French. But so when you see the photo shoot, you'll see that I have a hat on, I have short hair, I've rocked it differently, and it's actually a fashionable way to go on safari.
Cool.
Because whenever we go on safari, we always feel like, Sasa, we have to start wearing tracksuits. And if, for example, you're going with your man and you want to look kind of ooh la la, you're just left there like, okay, how am I supposed to?
Interesting. So is it for all women and
all women, all sizes, all body types? I'm trying to teach women to embrace and love themselves. I'm a mother of two. Okay, so I understand most importantly what stretch marks are. What you feel like a rough road is on your stomach, but at the end of the day, it doesn't mean that you fall into that depression. It's a very hard part that we go through, postnatal and prenatal. So the whole point is I'm creating a line for not just young women, but for women that are also mothers. It doesn't matter your age group, as long as you want to feel fashionable and you want to love yourself within your own skin. I'm trying to teach people to just dress what they love. So if you see, most of my stuff are high waist, because
I know
we suffer. There are women that are blessed that come out with no stretch marks, flat tummies, and I'm just like, I envy you, but I have to love my body the way God blessed me. So I'm not going to fight. I'll dress myself. Exactly.
I like that.
Exactly.
Let's all go back to, so where can we get your collection?
So what's happening right now is on my page, Yvonne Dark. Anywhere you go, just Google Yvonne Dark. You'll see I'm talking about my clothing line. I'm talking about actually my new projects. I have a new single coming out during the show.
Oh, lovely.
Called Mambo Bado.
And want to sing it for us a bit?
Yes. Nishakuona wanifanya mimi nijiko nikupe joto. Nishakusoma Nisha kusoma baby, mimi ndo godoro upate ndoto. Oh, ushaota, baby ushaota. So
that's not you have a lovely voice.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, you definitely are gonna be a good judge.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So it's coming out during actually the set of the show because I'm shooting it very soon, and it's going to be interesting. It's I don't want to spoil the vibe, but it's something that Africa has never done before.
Right. Sounds good.
Yes.
Sounds good.
And the whole point is it has a tarabu kind of Afro beat to it, because when most people ask me what's your genre, I tell them it's basically Afro pop, but with a modern touch to it.
Nice.
So I can create. Who said I'm limited? If I want to do an Afro pop track on an EDM. What does that mean? It's still Afropop.
It's still Afropop.
You know, there's different areas to Afropop.
All right. Thank you so much. It's been such an amazing pleasure having you on the show, Yvonne.
Before I go, I would like to give the links to the KTN show.
Yes,
so please, everybody, please join us, tweet, ask us questions, involve yourselves on our pages. So basically, go to KTN, I Can Sing, for all the pages apart from Twitter. Twitter is KTN_. I can sing. Ask us anything you'd like and find our own personal pages from there.
Right.
And mine is just Yvonne Dark, which is YVONNEDARCQ. Anywhere, just Google it.
Interesting. So much pleasure having you here on the show.
Thank you so much.
All the best with the show. I'm sure it's going to be a hit.
It will.
Yeah, starting from Friday next week, March 30th.
Yes.
And